How to send money on Cash App. Whether you are splitting a dinner bill, paying rent, or sending a quick gift to a friend, you don't need to deal with physical cash or clunky bank transfers. I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to send money securely to anyone on Cash App in under 2 minutes. Alright, so first, open Cash App on your mobile device. You will immediately land on the main green payment screen, which looks just like a standard calculator keypad. So you'll get this window right here. So just go ahead and type in the exact dollar amount you want to send. For example, 2520 if you want to send $25. Make sure you don't accidentally mix up your decimals. Once the correct number is flashing on your screen, look at the absolute bottom of the keypad layout and tap the blue or green also button on the right side or at the very bottom. Then a new screen will slide up. At the very top, in the to field, type in the recipient's unique hashtag, phone number, or email address in this window. Then, if they are nearby, you can also tap the QR code icon to scan their screen directly. Once their profile pops up, tap it to log them as the recipient. Right below that, click into the For field to add an optional note or emoji so you both remember what the payment was for. Finally, the Pay button in the top right corner, press that. Cash App will prompt your Face ID or Touch ID or PIN confirmation. Scan or type it in, and the funds will leave your account and land in theirs. So that's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy. After that, your money will land. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.